Hi, I'm Ken Williamson, Newmar Sales Account Manager, and it's my privilege to show you the all-new 2019 London Aire. Fully redesigned for 2019, the 605 horsepower London Aire fuses modern looks and premium luxury like only a Newmar can. Inside the cockpit, you're welcomed by heated captain's chairs, which include a queen-size passenger seat with footrest, a workstation, and 11 custom-tuned JBL speakers. And of course, London Aire features Comfort Drive adaptive steering system with passive steer technology to deliver the ultimate RV driving experience. Brand new for 2019 is a 12-inch digital instrument cluster, push-button ignition, wireless charging station, and dual 10-inch monitors with Rand McNally system. A standard tri-view rear camera combines with side view cameras and electronic stability control to deliver heightened peace of mind, while an optional 360-view display and on-guard adaptive cruise control with collision mitigation technology raises the bar even further. If it's detail you're searching for, look no further than the 2019 London Aire, where you'll find appointments like spectacular multi-dimensional carved wood fascia, designer wall sconces, patterned fabric window treatments, and a feature ceiling. But that's far from all there is to look at inside the 2019 London Aire. Take this coach's stunning caprice decor or the new oversized bus-style windows, which let in more natural light than ever before. There are two living area Sony 4K TVs, one retractable and the other mounted in the front overhead. A Bose SoundTouch 300 soundbar is also part of the ensemble, in addition to a standard Wi-Fi signal booster. Above heated porcelain tile flooring lies an available recliner set with lamp stand opposite a sleeper sofa, both covered by the ultra leather fabrics. For those in search of their dream kitchen, London Aire has a lot to offer, starting with the sable glazed maple hardwood cabinetry with high gloss finish, along with both a large wood pantry with pull-out shelves and a convenient stationary base when you choose the 4534 floor plan. All 2019 London Aires are assembled with soft-closed dovetail drawers, a high-polished solid surface countertop, and a large double-bowl stainless steel sink. All electric appliances include a Whirlpool convection microwave, French door refrigerator, along with a Fisher-Paykel dishwasher and recessed induction cooktop. Most importantly, you can enjoy each meal from a variety of dinette options, including this practical buffet dinette. A roomy mid-cabin wardrobe sits just outside of a sliding passage door that leads to the London Aire master bedroom, with the 4534 floor plan providing a king bed with optional sleep number adjustable mattress and stacked solid surface drawers. You and your travel companion also have access to dual nightstands, a Sony 4K TV with Blu-ray player and Bose soundbar, as well as the in-room touchscreen that lets you adjust most cabin settings. All but one London Aire floor plan include a full bath and a half, with the midship half bath matching the decor found in the master space. Speaking of the master space, that's where you discover the 4534's massive 50 by 34 inch shower with full tile walls, soap dispenser, and Aquamizer shower system. Steps away, an equally impressive twin sink vanity awaits, presenting you and yours with separate medicine cabinets on each side. Plus, stop shaving quarters and opt for the Whirlpool washer and dryer that is available inside the laundry station. Finally, Cathedral Ceiling delivers extra breathing room in the form of 6 inches of added headspace, found in all rear bath floor plans. London Aire offers 7 floor plans for 2019, all measuring 45 feet in length. Today we have the 4534 floor plan featuring 1.5 baths and 3 power slide-outs led by the full wall slide. London Aire rides on either a Freightliner SL or Spartan K3 tag axle chassis, both with the 605 horsepower Cummins Diesel, and both welded to our exclusive Star Foundation steel superstructure for a quieter ride and a stronger chassis. This London Aire is painted in our Caprice Masterpiece finish, with added style from our 2 Girard Nova side awnings with wind sensors and LED lighting. Behind power locking baggage doors, find a standard Dometic pull-out freezer, an available outdoor entertainment center with Sony 4K TV and Bose soundbar, and a 12 kilowatt Cummins quiet diesel generator. From all of us at Newmar, we just wanted to say thank you for taking a couple minutes to walk around the brand new London Aire.